What is the one corner of your home you have been secretly avoiding for months? The one place you look at, feel a wave of guilt, and then deliberately look away from? Pause. For most people, it is the oven. Dark, greasy, intimidating. Today, we destroy that fear once and for all. Like, subscribe, see, and turn on notifications, because this is the video your kitchen has been silently begging for. The relatable truth. Picture this moment. Guests are arriving in an hour. Your home looks beautiful. The food smells incredible. And then somebody, it is always somebody, casually bends down and glances through your oven door. Pause. You feel it. That instant rush of embarrassment. That blackened interior. That grease pooled at the bottom that has witnessed every meal you have cooked for the past year. You smile through it. You change the subject. And later that night, you tell yourself, next weekend, I will clean it. Pause. But next weekend never comes. Because deep down, the oven feels like a battle you are not equipped to win. The problem with chemical cleaners. Here is something the label on that bright orange oven spray will never tell you directly. The active ingredient in most commercial oven cleaners is sodium hydroxide. It's an aggressively caustic compound that strips grease by essentially burning through it. It works, but it also coats the interior of the appliance, where your food cooks at high heat with chemical residue. Pause. You are feeding your family meals prepared inside a chemically treated box. That is worth sitting with for a moment. The natural method that changes everything. The night before you're clean, remove your oven racks and set them aside. Mix 1 cup of baking soda with 3 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of dish soap until you have a thick, smooth paste. Pause. This humble mixture sitting in your bowl is about to do something remarkable. Put on gloves and spread it generously across every interior surface. The walls, the floor, the inside of the door, every darkened corner. Apply the thickest layer where the grease is heaviest. You can cover it with plastic wrap to keep it moist. Baking soda doesn't work when it is dry. Close the door. Go to sleep. Here is the science behind the silence. Baking soda is alkaline. Grease is acidic. Over 12 hours, the alkaline paste works patiently against the acidic grease deposits, breaking down the molecular bonds, holding that burnt residue to the surface. No noise, no fumes. No drama. Pause. Just quiet chemistry doing exactly what you need it to do while you rest. Morning comes. Take a damp cloth and begin wiping. Watch what happens next. And this part genuinely never gets old. The grease does not resist. It does not cling. It simply lifts away, brown and dissolved, as though it was never really stuck at all. For any remaining stubborn patches, spray white vinegar directly onto the area. The baking soda and vinegar react in a gentle fizz that loosens the final traces. Wipe clean. Pause. Keep going until you see it. The clean surface underneath. The one that was there all along, buried under months of buildup, waiting to be found again. For the racks, place them in your bathtub. Sprinkle baking soda over them, pour white vinegar on top, and fill with hot water until submerged. Soak for 2 hours. Still scrub with a stiff brush. The carbonized grease slides off almost without resistance. Dry them and slide them back into your transformed oven. The moment of truth. There is an emotion that hits you when you finally see a clean oven, and it is bigger than satisfaction. It feels like relief. Like something you were quietly ashamed of has been resolved. Like your kitchen is finally, completely yours again. Pause. Tonight, mix the paste. Tomorrow morning, wipe it away. And the next time someone glances through that oven door, let them look. Let them see exactly what happens when knowledge finally replaces fear. If this gave you the push you needed, hit like right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. Subscribe and ring the bell so videos like this always find you first. Share it with someone whose oven deserves a fresh start. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.